Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made about 1400. In your situation it's probably going to be like $1,000, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I entered that market about 6:30, which was about here, and I just had a feeling that the price really bottomed out, and the reason why it bottomed out is here is the VWAP is the price went below the VWAP and to about here. And then around here, I just started to see that we were forming, um, the 4 moving average was forming into a nice scenario. So how it kind of works is when you have like the blue, green, yellow, red, that's generally a signal to buy. So let's say you bought from here, you could have ride it out all the way to about here and get profit when it starts to basically the blue and the green and the yellow start to form, and then it kind of becomes a short, or you don't do anything until another opportunity rises. So here you get a little bit of a short here. If you took it, you probably would have lost a little bit of money, but this is where you make the money right here. So right here you see the VWAP. It is the price is below the VWAP, and you can see here we're just starting to form the blue, green, yellow, red. Right about here, the red just cuts through, and you can see here you would probably enter about here, and then if you would have entered, the price just rockets up. You keep going because it's still good, and then all of a sudden you just get this boom right here, and that's $1,000 right there. Once it, and then you can see here the top wick. Once you get this kind of really long arrow, in most situations it's going to come down, so you would take the profit. But that's how you make $1,000, and I was absolutely correct to withdraw the trade from $1,000 because the price skyrocketed all the way down. Thanks for joining. I hope you learned something.